So also tell me, in 2024 या 2025 नेटवर्किंग या आपका पर्सनल जो नेटवर्क होता है वो कितना बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है इन द सक्सेस ऑफ योर बिजनेस और योर करियर और योर जॉब, मतलब आप जो भी करियर में करना चाहते हो उसमें नेटवर्किंग का कितना बड़ा रोल रहता है? बिकॉज आई सी यू आर वेरी एक्टिव इन नेटवर्किंग पार्ट ऑल्सो, like you mentioned YC network. तो how big of the role is for other businesses या other startup owners also?
See, frankly, from a very founder perspective, I'll say कि it's a very difficult and hard journey,
Yeah.
and more or less lonely also, because founders का pain sort of founders and operators ही समझ पाते हैं. And what I feel like now, even though everyone is connected over LinkedIn, etc., and all of that digitally, but meaningful relationships are very less.
Yeah.
In terms of how many people are there to approach you, and if you reach out to them, they'll provide you a meaningful connect or a help to you.
I agree.
So I think that is very important. Like, rather than the quantity is back to quality now, that you have some meaningful relations with the founders or the operators themselves, and आप उसको कैसे मतलब leverage कर रहे हो, use कर रहे हो. Not that that is the only purpose, but वो automatically आ जाता है, because if you're bonding together, if you're sharing your problems and they are sharing your problems, you mutually sort of help each other out.
हमारे रियल एस्टेट में तो ना नेटवर्किंग बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. सो आपका सक्सेस डिपेंड करता है कि आपके क्लाइंट के साथ कैसे नेटवर्क्स हैं, कितने नेटवर्क्स का आप पार्ट हो, या इवन इन द एजेंट कम्युनिटी आपका कितना बड़ा नेटवर्क है, या बिल्डर कम्युनिटी आपका कितना बड़ा नेटवर्क है. तो हमारे रियल एस्टेट में तो वो बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले करता है. एंड इसीलिए आप देखते हो कि एजेंट्स की रेगुलर पार्टीज भी होती हैं एंड इवेंट्स भी होते हैं. तो वहाँ पे तो है, बट नाउ आई फील कि एवरी बिजनेस या एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर नीड्स अ नेटवर्किंग, क्योंकि आने वाले टाइम में अकेले आप सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते.
See, definitely what you said is very true. There are some businesses जिसमें तो networking is sort of the like a given thing or a main thing, like real estate and all. Even in a tech business, I would say it's very required right now in terms of how do you scale. Like, why generally people have a preference of in terms of fundraising, they say that we prefer IIT, IIM alums and all. I don't think it's a lot to do about the colleges in itself, but it's again about the community.
The
that
network.
they play, the network they bring in together.
Yeah.
It's easy for them to build a team of smart, hardworking people and then execute on a hard problem,
Yeah.
and which a general person would not have access to. So that's what they are bringing in. They are not bringing in just the degree, they are bringing in that network and that community, and that works in their favor. So and if anyone has an unfair advantage which even your network brings in,
Yeah.
you should definitely leverage that. It's an advantage for you. So
कहते हैं ना, योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ नाउ.
Exactly.
आज की मार्केट के हिसाब से.
Correct.
बट ठीक है, लाइक यू सेड, यू कम फ्रॉम जोधपुर. जोधपुर विल बी अ टियर 2 और अ टियर 3 सिटी, क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
Tier 3 city.
टियर 3
Tier
सिटी.
3 city.
And now you're living in Gurgaon from many years.
Correct.
And Delhi also you've lived. तो आपको अगर चूज करना हो बिटवीन लिविंग इन जोधपुर और लिविंग इन दिल्ली NCR या बैंगलोर, बिकॉज आप वहाँ पे भी आपका ऑफिस है, वहाँ भी आप बहुत जाते हो, तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
So I'll definitely prefer to work in a metro city, like, and out of all metro cities, I'll definitely pick Gurgaon.
Oh.
Because of much better infra, much better talent possibilities, and etc. Very less traffic. Bangalore is really difficult to operate in that sense.
Okay.
But if I have to live, I'll definitely prefer to live in a city like Jodhpur and all. I don't see myself living in a metro city forever and ever. That's definitely my view, that I don't want to stay in a metro town for for an unforeseeable future.
बट पैसा कमाना है तो फिर यहीं रहना है.
The talent is here, the people are here, the
Opportunities.
opportunity is here, so definitely work here. But eventually, if you say कि where do you want to live forever in a way, definitely in a city like Jodhpur or a similar city where that quality of life is also important for us after a certain point of time, which sort of is definitely missing. In Delhi, what I feel is that you have to create your own bubble if you need to have that quality of life also.
सो मतलब कि मेट्रो सिटी में आओ, पैसे कमाओ, और फिर रहने के लिए पैसे कमाने के बाद आप अपनी
Correct.
टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटी में चले जाओ.
Very similar to how people move out of India also ना.
हाँ.
जैसे यूएस जाते हैं, they'll work there for 5-10 years, earn decent money and come back to India.
Okay.
I have sort of doing that but in India.
सेम दुबई में भी लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं, जाते हैं 4-5 साल लगाए और फिर वापस आ गए.
Correct.
ओके. सो बट आई सी अ ट्रेंड हैपनिंग. अभी हम रोज पढ़ते हैं अर्बनाइजेशन इज हैपनिंग, पीपल आर मूविंग फ्रॉम टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटीज टू मेट्रो सिटीज. उसमें आपको अभी क्या ट्रेंड दिख रहा है? बिकॉज आप उस बिजनेस में हो जहाँ पे जो भी अर्बनाइजेशन होती है वो आपके क्लाइंट्स बनते हैं. उसमें आपको क्या ट्रेंड दिख रहा है अभी? कितनी अर्बनाइजेशन हो रही है या किस स्केल पे हो रही है?
See, two major trends we have seen. One is the post-COVID trend, that in COVID, a lot of people said that work, jobs, and life would sort of shift behind the screen. We didn't see that happening. It
नहीं
sort
हुआ.
of came everything back
Yep.
to normal. सब
Yep.
वापस like 2019 onwards जैसा हो चुका है. So that is one trend that didn't sustain, I would say. अगर आप एजुकेशन भी देखोगे तो एजुकेशन ऑल्सो केम बैक टू ऑफलाइन, कुछ भी ऑनलाइन नहीं
ऑफलाइन हो गया.
रहा. सो दैट इज वन वेरी मेजर ट्रेंड विच सॉर्ट ऑफ शिफ्टेड बैक टू देयर ओरिजिनल कंसेप्ट.
तो जो लोग यहाँ मेट्रोज में थे, जो कोविड के टाइम अपने अपने घर चले गए थे, वो सब वापस आ रहे हैं.
वापस आ गए बिकॉज द जॉब्स एंड द ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल आर देयर इन मेट्रोज एंड देयर उसका उतना अपॉर्चुनिटी टीयर 3 टीयर 4 टाउन्स में या टीयर 2 सिटीज में भी नहीं अवेलेबल है.
बट लोगों को लगता था कि हम वर्क फ्रॉम होम मिल जाएगा तो अब आराम से अपनी सिटी में चलते हैं.
हाँ.
जैसे ही वर्क फ्रॉम होम खत्म हुआ तो वो लोग अब वापस शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज इट्स मोर ऑफ एन एफिशिएंसी एंड आई थिंक ह्यूमंस टुगेदर एज द जनरल कंसेप्ट ऑल्सो वी आर सोशल बीइंग्स. सो यू नीड टू इंटरैक्ट, you need to meet, you need to foster ideas, then you grow.
Yep.
So if you're doing a very repetitive task which requires zero social connection, then maybe it works to be in a silo and operate in a work from home setup. But again, that's harmful for you individually if you're not meeting anyone and not even stepping outside your home. But leaving aside that, that was one major trend. The second different trend we are seeing is that, which is sort of a good thing, is that now the urbanization which is happening is getting a little democratized in a way that it's not just concentrated towards the same cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. They're still the highest and they're still growing. But it is even evolving into cities like Jaipur, Indore, Ahmedabad and all.
अच्छा.
So micro hub cluster base पे you could say growth हो रही है, which is something which is driven by the government also and which is driven by tier 2 founders and entrepreneurs also.
Okay.
It is now solving that equation together. So if you have a base number of talent available in that city, you can create an ecosystem. So like a good example is like Jaipur, for that example. It has good working population of tech, design, different type of crowds available and good jobs with even bigger companies like Genpact and etc. being there. So it is now going to be a sort of a good ecosystem for startups to develop and go.
Yeah.
So if someone is based out of Jaipur and starting, he might not move to Gurgaon or other city to start. He'll just start in Jaipur in itself.
बट अभी भी बोला जाता है कि अगर आपको टेक बिजनेस बिल्ड करना है तो आपको बैंगलोर में तो होना ही पड़ेगा. आज भी मतलब बैंगलोर इज लाइक अ सिलिकॉन वैली फॉर इंडिया. तो हाउ ट्रू इज दैट के टेक वाले तो सब आपको बैंगलोर में ही मिलेंगे, अच्छा टैलेंट, ये बोला जाता है.
See, pure tech businesses or in deep tech, definitely I would say Bangalore and you can't beat that.
Okay.
But a lot of businesses in India have a misconception of being tech enabled in deep tech.
Okay.
And I think that's where you draw a line. If you are a D2C Shopify brand, you are a tech enabled brand. You don't require that level of deep tech that you have to be in Bangalore. And same is true for a lot of businesses. Definitely if you are building something in AI, even in something which requires like good, amazing talent in terms of machine learning, etc., you have to be in Bangalore because that's where the talent is. But there are a lot of businesses which you can build in micro clusters like Jaipur, Indore and all of that. And they're still doing very good and scaling.